We'll move into question 2 now. So, Jaime, generative AI is an emerging trend. You just touched on it.
Yeah.
For those who may not fully understand it, can you walk us through it? And how's it going to impact the technology that we're talking about?
Yeah, generative AI is a great breakthrough for specifically, I think, the world and a lot of different use cases, but in the contact center world, it's a major impact. And for those of you who aren't familiar with generative AI too much, it's fundamentally a subset of AI in general, and its ability to it's a group of algorithms that actually allow us to analyze data and then create like human-like responses or results from that. So it's changing how we can process this data and different interactions. The big part of that example I just gave about like being able to analyze intents in real time of what's going on in your contact center, that's generative AI doing that. And it's not the panacea to everything, because there's going to be a lot of different AI applications out there coming out, but that one for example, generative AI is really good at like sentiment analysis. It's really good at understanding intents, like what people are talking about. It's really good at like creating things like summaries and translating. These are use cases that make it very valuable for certain use cases, and that's one of them, right? Because it can literally understand what the conversation's going on, and also understand it even from us, like not just the word level, but the sentiment of what's going on in the interaction, right? And also we're doing applications right now that can translate a 10-minute conversation, right, or a 6-minute conversation you'll have with an agent, and literally summarize all the key points in like 2 or 3 sentences or a paragraph, so you don't have this 6-minute transcript. You got the most important points. That type of breakthrough is just amazing. And why is important? Because hey, now that agent doesn't have to kind of keep 6 minutes of knowledge in their head. They can focus in on the conversation. The summary comes out because hey, there's they have compliance recommendation requirements. They're a financial services company, or they're a healthcare organization or a government organization that has to keep this there, and it's implanted there for the next person to deal with, and it's just like that. And that's again a great breakthrough for generative AI that wasn't available before. And so I think you're going to see like major improvements in that area, and more use cases come out in the next, I'd say, 3 to 5 years.
Awesome.